Let's go see. This is where we conduct our school and like doing like a lot of ramen, like udon school over here. And so we'd like to thank Ms. Sano for showing us the tonkotsu vegan ramen, like which sounds like, well, not vegan, but like it's really vegan. So let's get started. Thank you, Ms. Sano.
はい。じゃあ今日はですね、豚骨風ビーガンラーメンを作ります。
Okay, so tonkotsu style vegan ramen today we're making.
はい。で盛り付けはこんな感じですね。
Yeah, so that's like how it's gonna be, like, you know, the toppings and everything, like, yeah.
はい。じゃあ作ります。
Right, so let's get started.
で、はい。まずスープですね。
So that's the stock.
はい。豆乳ベースのスープになります。
And this is a soy milk based stock.
はい。で、豆乳ベースなんですけど、ちょっとこってりした豚骨っぽい感じになってます。
And this is a soy milk, but like it's not like you know, soy milk like kind of watery soy milk, but like, you know, it's kind of viscous soy milk, like in stock that kind of like that's similar in kind of texture to tonkotsu stock.
はい。じゃあさっき作ってもらった麺茹でますね。
Alright, let's start boiling, cooking the noodles like we just made. It's freshly made noodles.
で、消化水の細い麺なんで1分くらい茹でてあげます。
Okay, so the normal cooking time, like, you know, as I saw, like, no, not very hard, like not hard, like normal cooking time, like 1 minute.
はい、茹でます。
Okay.
で、その間にスープ温めますね。
Okay, so while we are cooking noodles, let's start warming the stock.
はい。で、お皿にこれ元だれです。
And then this is a tare, like motodare, and so I'm gonna put it in the bowl first.
はい、味噌ベースになってます。
That's miso-based tare.
はい。
Okay.
で、麺が出来上がったらスープを張って麺入れます。
Alright, so when the noodles done, like we're gonna pour the stock into the bowl and put the noodles in. Okay. Wait.
スープは 300g です。
Okay, beef stock weighs 300 grams.
はい、麺入れます。
Okay, noodles in.
で、麺整えますね。
And it's important to, well, kind of arrange noodles like in a
はい、じゃあちょっと盛り付けいき
good
ま
way,
す。
nice presentation. So let's start topping.
はい。で、椎茸です。
So it's like these are shiitake mushroom, like different shiitake mushrooms. Well,
しめじと舞茸ときくら
shimeji
げ。
and like maitake mushrooms and the black one, the black like kind of that's cloudier. And these are like stir fried in, well, kind of vegetable oil, like I think olive oil.
で、これは油揚げです。
Yeah, so like these is bean curd tofu, like that's fried in like rice oil.
で、間にライム挟んであげます。
And the slice of lime like sandwiched.
で、 これね赤い味噌です。辛い味噌。
This is a spicy miso paste.
のせますね。はい。で次白髪ネギです。ネギですね。で緑色のネギものせます。
Right, and then chopped up scallions, and also like we sprinkled it over.
はい。じゃあ完成です。
Right, so that's tonkotsu style like vegan ramen. And yeah, we're sorry like that. You know, we're sorry that like you guys can taste it because it tastes really similar to like tonkotsu ramen. So I wish you guys could taste, but like it's kind of amazing. Like just using like all these vegan ingredients, like it's kind of easy to like make a bowl of like ramen that's like that tastes like really similar to tonkotsu. Like kind of when you try it, like you get like kind of excitement, like when you eat like real authentic tonkotsu ramen, and then yeah, and it's right, and it's it's very different. Yeah, and then like when you think about like when you actually make have to make like authentic tonkotsu soup, right? And then like it takes like hours and hours, right? But like in this case, right, in this like vegan tonkotsu ramen, I think it took her to make it like I don't know under 1 hour, definitely, yeah. So it's very easy to make, like takes like yeah, it's like almost no time like compared to like when you're making like real tonkotsu ramen. So yeah, and then you can learn how to make like in a bowl like this, like a bowl like in this kind of vegan ramen when you attend our ramen school, and this is also available in our online version of ramen school. So yeah, if you guys are interested, like please join us today, and we're putting out like all these like more like all these recipes, like all these dishes, and then different types of ramen that's trending in Japan right now, and then like like where like all these ramen shop owners like in different countries are doing experimenting, and so I hope we got some questions. How many numbers like shipping steps like that needed in making ramen noodles? So it really depends actually. Shipping steps like so we did like rough forming first, right, and then like we made a rough shibu dough, and after that we did the combining process. And the combining process like we actually usually do like one or twice, right? It depends on the kind of noodle texture you're looking for, and after that, right, you just have to thin it, right? You just have to thin it, and it really depends on like final thickness that you want to do, right? So we usually do like it's like 30% reduction rate. So like we start like let's say like from 2 millimeter, and then like 1.5 and then 1.3 1.0. So it really depends on like what your final thickness is. So yeah, so the first wrap for me like first combining, second combining, and then maybe 1, 2, and then cut or something like that, like depending on what kind of noodle you're making. So right, I hope this helps, and this weekly free workshop is actually this last one for now, and we're going to be focusing more on like our YouTube channel from this point on. So if you guys want to see like more of this kind of stuff, like please check out our YouTube channel, and we're going to be doing like something interesting like weekly, right? And hope you guys are going to like it. And yeah, so for those of you like who are interested in joining us our ramen school, please do that today, or like if you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So that's it. Like, unless you guys have any questions, all right. That's it. So thank you so much for joining us for this workshop, and then hope you guys see you back in some YouTube channel content. So thank you so much. Bye bye.